Hi guys, today we're going to talk to you about what is Jidoka. So Jidoka is one of the main pillars of lean manufacturing in the Toyota production system, and it is most commonly known as automation with a human touch. So Jidoka is one of the main pillars of the continuous improvement system, but is most commonly sort of left behind the more common and more popular just-in-time concept. So Jidoka concept revolves around the idea of quality and how quality can be guaranteed, and where on different routes and which different systems and which processes you have, where you can actually find the impact of your overall quality. So the definition of Jidoka is actually automation, which is not the same as automation. Automation means automation with a human touch. So Jidoka is effectively a quality control process. So what it does, it looks at where an issue or a defect may occur, and then it looks at what the root cause of it actually is. So if you have a manufacturing process and you notice something further down the line that was caused, some sort of defect or something, what Jidoka actually focuses on going back to the root cause of this, doing a study and doing a root cause analysis on what actually caused the defect in the first place. So what are the most common issues that would actually lead to a stop in your manufacturing process? Well, obviously the number one issue would be a quality issue. So with Jidoka, you would look at quality issues, find where the cause of this has actually been. So you may have a process, you may have a part process, you may have a manufacturing process, but what you're actually looking at is the quality issues here. So you will go back to what the root cause of the quality issue is. In general, stopping the production process as soon as you find some sort of quality issue is the best path to take. What you're actually able to do is find the root cause of the problem. In a fully lean company, every operator employee has the opportunity or the power to stop the manufacturing line if an irregularity is found. The purpose of this is to highlight any of the issues in the process or materials and take action immediately to find the root cause. In the case of quality issues, if the defective article continuing along the product line, it will continue to be processed. Now, the second point that we're going to be talking about is process issues. So if you're actually having a process issue, Jidoka can help you find something where a system isn't quite working the way you would like, and you may be having quality issues coming out of your process. While process issues may not be as common as an issue in quality, there may also be issues within these areas. So they can lead to a production line stoppage. If a particular section in the manufacturing process may cause problems, this can also cause for a stop in the line. And an investigation into how the process works can be called for, and you can come up with better ideas on how your process should work. One example of an error in the process may be an issue in how the parts are being delivered or transported from different stages of the production line. For example, newly arrived parts and materials may be damaged by the reckless use of forklifts. So if this is the case, maybe you would start trying to reduce the amount of forklifts you have delivering parts in your facility, and begin using material handling carts. You could use tugger trains or some sort of other automated solution that could be ideal for your process. So hopefully, if you are implementing Jidoka into your manufacturing system, this can lead to a continuous improvement and help you continue to improve your manufacturing lines. If you guys have any other questions about how to improve your manufacturing lines, the flow of goods, the flow of materials, you can always visit us at www.flexqube.com. Thanks very much for watching, guys.